Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to adjust temperature in Tesla Model Y. Open the climate icon on the center screen, tap the temperature numbers, then drag the slider to set your desired temperature. Use the fan controls below to increase airflow and toggle seat or steering heat if needed. You can create a climate preset under your driver profile to recall preferred settings instantly when you enter the car. Access the climate menu by tapping the climate icon on the bottom of the screen and focus on the temperature digits in the center. Drag the temperature slider left or right, or tap the arrows for 1-degree changes to find the perfect setting. Toggle Auto Climate if you want the car to maintain that temperature automatically, and adjust fan speed directly below to balance comfort and noise while driving. If this video has been helpful, please subscribe and hit like so you catch more car tips and tricks. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof containers make road trip meal prep so easy, and they stop fridge spills from ruining your trunk. They fit well in center consoles and under seats, and they keep snacks organized. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. You can sync or set driver and passenger temperatures independently to keep everyone comfortable during trips. Precondition the cabin from the Tesla app to warm or cool the car before you open the door, which saves energy while maximizing comfort. Rely on seat and steering wheel heaters for localized warmth so you can keep overall cabin temperature lower and conserve battery while still feeling cozy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.